today I'm probably going to do the easiest fix that you could do on a Volkswagen. Yes, even easier than the DIY fix I did last time. Let me show you. Today I'm going to fix this and this. They are in fact both one and the same. So let's get to it. So the first thing you're going to need to do this repair is the Sylvania 2821s. These are the replacement bulbs. You're going to want to rotate your steering wheel all the way to the left or right. I'm going to start with my wheels to the right. And this is to gain access to the little window that allows you to access the bulbs. Alright, this is the little window I was talking about earlier. Now, I do prefer using a blue interior removal tool so I don't mess these windows up, but I couldn't find mine, so this is what we got. You want to reach in here, untwist it. I think. Nope, it just pulls straight out. That's the bulb. As you can see, this is clearly burnt out. Now, before I replace the bulb, I do want to put gloves on. Alright, now the primary reason you want to wear gloves when you're replacing things like light bulbs is because you have oils on your hands, and those oils get on the little glass bulbs. When those bulbs get hot, they help the bulb to prematurely self-detonate like this. So, now that I have gloves on, I can take care of this side. Doesn't matter so much when you're taking out the old bulb. Obviously, it's already dead and it's not going to detonate itself, but you just slip that in there like that and find the hole and push it in. Now on Volkswagens, you can see this is the connector and this is where it lines up to. There's a line right there that marks where to line the bulb up to. That's what I was missing. Anyways, put that in there, and before I replace the cover, I'm going to verify it works. Alright, no more light on the dash, and the light's illuminated there. Let's go take a look at the other side real quick. So this light is illuminated, but I think I'm going to replace it anyways because that side doesn't look as bright. So I'm going to spin my wheels the other way and get under there. Alright, it's pretty much the same process on this side. Just gotta remove this cover. Now, this error message has been illuminated pretty much the whole time I've owned this Volkswagen. And I never got it done because I always thought I was going to get the DE Auto LED lights to put here as side marker lights. That has not happened. And now that it's up for sale, I'm just trying to fix everything I can. You know, the longer I have this thing, the more I'm going to do to it. The crazy thing about these covers is they are side specific. There's an R there, and there's an L on the other one for left and right side. Now let's double verify now. Alright, let's see here. Alright, any more light? Come on, stay off. Yes. Okay. Great. Again, this is probably the easiest fix you can do on your Volkswagen. DE Auto LED sells LED Sidemarker lights, which I really like because they're super bright. But these Sylvania lights work just as well. Obviously, it's what you can get at the auto parts store. And as I mentioned, the longer I have this vehicle, the more stuff is going to get done to it. I think today I'm going to set up an appointment for safe light for the front windshield. So I need to get that replaced. I know I'd been talking about the rear windshield as well. Apparently my insurance does not cover a windshield replacement, so that may have to wait a few more months or until I start actually getting more subscribers. So right now, some of the other parts I have to install are the rain cowl for the front. As you can see, this rain cowl is completely destroyed, on this side at least, and that happened when I installed these coilovers, which is fine. I have two actually in my garage right now, so I will replace the rain cowl and include the extra one if somebody ends up buying this. The thing with removing the rain cowl is I have to also remove the windshield wipers, which, like, the whole windshield wiper arm, not just the wiper itself. As you can see, the windshield wiper arm right here covers this rain cowl, so I'll have to take that off, both of them off, which is okay. So I may try and knock that out before I get the windshield replaced. And for some reason I thought that windshield wipers at AutoZone were cheaper than getting them replaced at Safelite, but apparently they are cheaper at Safelite, so I will get the windshield wipers replaced when I get the windshield replaced. And then it's really a lot of cosmetic mods. Actually, I take that back. After the windshield replacement, the next mod is going to be the stainless shifter bracket bushings, which replace the rubber bracket bushings for the shifter down there. So I'll replace those. I'd also like to do a brake fluid flush, and hopefully I'll be able to get all this stuff done in my new shop soon. The shop isn't quite ready yet, which is okay. It's gonna take some time, but I'm working on it. It's getting there, and yeah. And then hopefully by the end of September, I have some really exciting news for y'all. So please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. If there is something that you need to do on your Volkswagen, please leave a comment below and I will do my best to explain that in a video. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to challenge yourself and get better every day, aka do better, suck less. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Stainless shifter, the solid stainless shifter brackets, which replace the rubber shifter bracket. The stainless shifter bracket bushings.